Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that honey is not only a delicious sweetener, but also a secret superfood for your heart health? Today, we're diving into the world of honey and uncovering its incredible benefits for your heart. So grab a spoonful of honey and let's get started. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, honey is more than just a sweet treat. It is a powerhouse of nutrients that work wonders in promoting heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, help protect the heart by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can lead to heart disease. Now, here comes the exciting part. Consuming honey regularly can improve various markers of heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. Additionally, honey's anti-inflammatory properties can prevent the chronic inflammation that contributes to cardiovascular issues. Research and testimonials have shown the positive impact of honey on heart health, making it a must-have in your daily diet. Studies have demonstrated that the natural sugars in honey, unlike refined sugars, do not cause spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a heart-friendly sweetener. By incorporating honey into your diet, whether as a sweetener for your tea, a drizzle on your yogurt, or a key ingredient in your favorite recipes, you are not only indulging in this delightful taste, but also embracing its heart-protective benefits. So next time you reach for a sweetener, consider the golden goodness of honey. It's a simple, delicious, and natural way to support your heart and overall well-being. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to try out honey for your heart health. And remember to share your own experiences or tips on using honey in the comments below. Let's spread sweetness and good health together.